Hey guys, it's Wolf here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about like realistically how long does this bear market last still. Okay, so I've done some quick maths here and let's get going. So right now we are here March 2023. Okay, so if you look at the last bull run at the top of the cycle, it was 2018, January as it was top, and then the momentum started to build. Like you can see here, the momentum really started to build here. From here the basically here the momentum started to build, but the first like initial like bull run wave started in January 2021. So basically that's 3 years from the top to when it reached all-time high again, and then after that it went freaking crazy. So right now we are here. The top was 2021 November. So with this kind of like, if it happened at the same time, like a same type, it would be November 2024, right? However, this is just one sample size, so you can't make predictions like, if it happened last time. It's just one sample size. It doesn't hold, but I think it's good to see like what could happen, in a sense like, this is very possible, okay, but in no ways it can like be exactly the same. You know what I'm saying? Like it's in math. If you look at like mathematics, it's not like one sample size doesn't mean anything. So that's, for example, like, but a lot of like people who draw lines on the charts, they use this kind of like, well, here it has this and now it has this pattern again, so it can happen. It doesn't mean anything if the sample size is very small. Okay, so anyway, so that's a but anyway, I think this is a funny way to look at it, because that would put us like, let me show you here. So right now we are 2023 March, so it would be like from March. Okay, so March 2023 to basically 2024 January. Okay, and then in 2024 basically the momentum would start to pick up here. We would be like, basically, if you look at here, you can see March 2020 it started to pick up. So in quarter one of 2024 the momentum would start to pick up, and the momentum will pick up very fast. Let me show you here. Okay, so this is when the bottom basically hit here. Okay, and then it literally just the bull market is very fun, because you look at here. If you just bought anything here, you would never see red days ever again. You would constantly be profitable. Look at here. It's crazy. For this whole period of time, you would be profitable. So that's why the bear market opportunity is massive, because when you buy at the bottom here, you will just be profitable all the way along to the bull run, and you can just decide when you sell. You can see here there are multiple points you could sell. You could sell here or here or here, but overall, if you pick like here at $3,000, you had multiple times to sell at $3,000, right? For example, here if you bought like 200,000, so that's a 10x. For example, on ETH, on low caps it was way higher. So with that being said, I think in 2023 we still have 2023 to just like dollar cost averaging in, like straight up 9 months of just like pure like dollar cost averaging in. And then in quarter 2024 the bull run has a pretty, at least in my opinion, it has a chance to just like start building momentum slowly, like here it started. Okay, like very slowly here, March, April, May, June, August, September, October, November, and then boom. Okay, so right now I'm just literally I just keep buying low caps and high caps also. And yeah, I think it's so 2023, 9 months of solid like just buying it. 2024 quarter one, I think the momentum starts picking up for the bull run. So there's not that much, like a year. If you combine these, it's like a year of bear market. And within the bear market there's also like trends, like little run-ups and then downs and run-ups, downs. So it's not like we're almost like at the end of this kind of like bear market, in my opinion, in the sense that there's just this last kind of like thing. However, if you look at here the chart, we had this couple of like the crashes. For example, here ETH crashed from $267 to $100, something like that, for a very short of period of time. You can see here. Okay, so that would be like from now like ETH would crash from $1,500 to $700. But it's not even that. Like, if you look at the in a greater perspective here, like if you look at the MAC chart right now, it doesn't seem that there has been lots of happening. Because if you look at the whole big picture, so right now that's why I like a lot of, I'm going to create a video about like my bear market mistakes, and one of the mistakes is thinking that it will go lower all the time, so you never buy. Okay, I think that's the biggest one, because I think that's the most what people suffer from. They just constantly be here like, I don't buy because it will go lower. But when it goes lower, they don't buy because they are thinking it to go lower, right? So they never buy. So you just go through this whole bear market of opportunity, never buying, and then when it goes here, then you here start buying. So that was my big mistake, for example, in 2020, 2020 and 2018 bear market, and I didn't buy anything here. There was tons of opportunities, like massive opportunities, and then here, when it started to go out here, I started buying, and I just lost out on these massive like gains. And because you can take like, let's say that you take like $10,000 here, you can already like 10 to 50x here, and then you can 10 to 50x here also. So it's like it's like a double bull run. Okay, so that's a huge opportunity in my opinion. Anyway, so this was the quick video, like talking about this kind of like coping the bear market, I think. Yeah, no. But anyway, but the bear market is their biggest opportunities. Like, it really is, and it's hard, but it's not. It's going to go fast. I remember being here at the middle of this bear market. I was like, I think that this is never going to end. Okay, and that's exactly when the momentum started to. Pretty much soon after that, it started to switch up. Like I was really thinking like this. I think this is never going to end, and that's when so that's what we would see here. 1 year of full bear market, then the people are going to be like, I think that this is it. I think it will never end. So, but that moment, the bull run, in my opinion, will switch back on. We will see what will happen. Yeah. So anyway. So basically, last time it also pretty much happened the same thing. So the 2025, I think the bull runs were 2020. So for Bitcoin 2013. So Bitcoin was born in 2009, and then it was 2013 was the first kind of run up, I believe. Or was there 2011? Anyway, but there was at least 2013, and then there was 2015, and then the next one was 2018. So it's been, and then from 2018 to 2021. So it has been around 3 years because of the Bitcoin halving. Okay, so Bitcoin halving is coming at some point, but I don't know if that's going to catalyst the next bull run. Probably not. But it's going to be something to look out for. But I think that just overall the catalysts are going to be new technology. I mean, just the value proposition. Like back here, DeFi summer really kicked up the bull run, like massive decentralized exchange gains, like yield farming was insane. People made millions. It was ridiculous. It was very fun. It was ridiculous. I think we're going to have same kind of thing that will kick up the the bull run. But the bull run will be kicked up by profits, because here, when people make profits, okay, massive here with the for example, when they made with yield farming, then they said for other people it's easy money, a lot of I'm making insane amount of money, then a lot more people came in, then they say, okay, I'm making tons of money, and then more people say, okay, I'm making tons of money, and then they said to their parents and everybody, and then everybody said okay, so I'm making tons of money here, and to their parents, and then everybody is buying here, everybody's making tons of money, but at some point the music will stop and then it will fall like crazy. Okay, so that's kind of like how it goes. It's like everything is just like basically reward. Okay, humans respond to reward. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and see you at the next video.